Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something kind of interesting. This is the Fisher Space Beam LED flashlight. And this is made by the people who made the Space Pen and the Bullet Space Pen, which is one of my favorite pens ever. And I think what their plan was is they wanted to make, like, let me grab a, here we go. Here's a Bullet Space Pen. One has had a tough life. But it looks like what they tried to do is they tried to make a flashlight that had a similar kind of like print as a space pen. So let's open this thing up and well, let's take a look at it first and see. Inspired by the classic design of the Bullet Space Pen. Blah blah blah, timeless, unique form. Alright, so it takes a AAA battery, which is exciting. Power in lumens. 0.5 watts, blah blah blah, bulb type, never needs replacing, it's made of aluminum, do not look directly into the light. Here's a little clippy thing, which is exciting. So if we want to clip our pens, let's see, dispose of batteries, proper locations, etc, and made in China. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look at it. If we can get it open, and we can. Alright, so we got a little clippy thing, which I don't know how much I like little clippy things, but you might be able to. Nope. I was gonna say if you wanted a clippy thing for your space pen, you could maybe use it, but nope. All right, so clippy thing, and let's see. Is there anything on this that we care about? Lightweight aluminum, weighs only 1.15 ounces. Lifetime bulb, water resistant, shock resistant. Pulse on for momentary. Pulse position for momentary on off. Let's check that out. Alright, trash. Alright, so let's check this thing out. Alright. This might sound kind of weird, but it feels a little bit heavier than a little bit over an ounce. Alright, so we twist it. We twist it and it comes on. Alright, it's not like super bright, but it's probably enough to see by. Alright, so okay, I get the pulse thing. What you can do is, if you're holding it in your hand like this, you can press down on the back of it, on the tail cap, and light it that way without having to twist it. That's kind of a neat idea. It doesn't look super bright. I think this thing... Not sure how many lumens it is. Does it tell us how many lumens? It is not 1250 lumens. I'm pretty sure that would cook something. I don't know. Let's see. Not sure how many lumens this thing is. It's not a lot. But kind of a neat little flashlight. And so let's unscrew this thing and look at the battery. So we just unscrew it and keep unscrewing it and keep unscrewing it. And alright, that's kind of weird. I mean, like, this is a neat flashlight. I don't have any objections to it, but I feel like there's a lot of wasted space. Because, I mean, okay, this is the battery. There's not a second battery. So they've wasted, I don't know, maybe an inch or so of space. I would like to see them shrink it down, like maybe get it as close as possible to the actual size of the space pen as they can. Anyway, still kind of neat. It's an interesting twist on the flashlight. And so you twist to turn it on, and then if it's off, you can push in the tail cap and light that way. So not bad. Not bad for just a small pocket flashlight. And you can clip on the clip somehow. You can put the clip on it like so if you are inclined. Or maybe clip it to the tail clip. To the tail cap. Have it a little higher. So not bad. I think I'd probably clip it somewhere like here, though. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have y'all tried this flashlight? Think it's good, bad, terrible, mediocre? Should it be smaller? I don't know. And if there's anything you think I should take a look at, let me know in the comments. Oh, I'll include a link for this in the description in case you want to check it out. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.